This is Scott going for three-way waypoint challenge. Yeah.
All the obstacles are I got to complete it first, though. Where's the confidence? Yeah, well, it went out when turd crashed. Turd going to be recovered? Turd's done for the day. I met my goal. I got mine.
Here's the touch.
So maybe I'll be the first one in club history to get 11. Or is this just 10?
10. This is just 10, but it's still. But what it should do here is probably go all the way around where the weeds are.
Well, no, every time it sees a clearing like that, it's going to want to turn right, because that's where it needs to go. Now, maybe...
Yeah, but if it gets up
there, it's going to have to turn.
Now, is that an arbitrary decision, or is it actually based off of the side sensors?
No, it's based on the sensor. Whatever sensor has the longest reading is the direction it turns in.
See, let's see if
only clear out of here, it may be okay. Now, see, it's still wanting to, because once it goes into navigation mode, it says I need to go right.
Yeah.
Because the cone's over here.
Yeah.
And that's some logic I need to
work on.
Have better logic in.
Are we done?
Now